So this is the open camera selfie view. I'm walking at the normal pace that I just walked at. Can't really see much because it's super bright in the viewfinder, but just want to see how it handles different situations. Just going around here. I'm gonna go around this way. We'll check out these bushes again, see if it's digitally. I don't think it's digitally sharpening anything here, so I don't know. It's more we're just checking out the stabilization, and we'll look at the picture in general, see how everything looks and sounds. I mean, I'm thinking since it didn't stabilize before, it's not going to stabilize now.